As part of the government's initiative to uphold cleanliness in Imphal city under the leadership of Chief Minister Biren, he personally oversaw removal of accumulated garbage along the roadside at Nagamapal. Around 50 skilled laborers comprising 50 men and women of Moirang Municipal Council removed the accumulated garbage under the supervision of Moirang MLA Thongam Shanti. During the inspection, Chief Minister Biren was accompanied by MP Leisim Basana Jauba and MLA TH Santi. A team of Chief Minister walked from Kangla Western to oversee the garbage removal, including sprinkling water at 3 Imam markets and Nagamapal. Additionally, according to a post on Chief Minister's X account, that is formerly Twitter, he expressed his satisfaction for participating in the community social service to contribute to the environmental preservation ahead of the World Environment Day. Furthermore, the Chief Minister in his social media account expressed his satisfaction at participating in community social service to contribute in environment preservation ahead of World Environment Day. He commended the state government officials for partnering with local clubs in city cleaning endeavor, emphasizing that natural environment is collective treasure for all. He asserted that environmental preservation is a responsibility for every citizen. He also appealed to all to plant more trees and reduce plastics usage, advocating for adoption of eco-friendly products.